10 most innovative female-owned businesses in Nigeria. Today, we've got something incredibly inspiring and exciting to share with you. We're going to take a look at the 10 most innovative female-owned businesses in Nigeria. These remarkable women have not only shattered glass ceilings, but have also created some of the most successful and impactful ventures in the country. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Number 1. Funke Ope, the founder of Main One. Starting off our list, we have Funk Opeke, the brains behind Main One, a leading telecommunications company in Nigeria. Funke's visionary leadership has not only transformed the telecom landscape in Nigeria, but has also connected the entire West African region through Main One's undersea cable systems. Number 2. Ola Oke Kunrin, founder of Flying Doctors. Next up, we have Ola Oke Kunrin, the founder of Flying Doctors Nigeria. Ola's innovative approach to medical emergencies has saved countless lives by providing swift air ambulance services and medical evacuation solutions across Nigeria and beyond. Number 3. Ada Osakwe, founder of Newly Juices. Moving on to the world of healthy living, we have Ada Osakwe, the mastermind behind Newly Juices. Ada's passion for nutritious and locally sourced products has brought fresh and healthy juices to the Nigerian market, promoting a culture of wellness and sustainability. Number 4. Iyukun Awosika, Chair Center. Ibukun Awosika, a name synonymous with excellence, founded Chair Center, a leading furniture manufacturing company in Nigeria. Her commitment to quality and design has made Chair Center a go to brand for stylish and durable furniture solutions. Number 5. Adenike Ogunlisi, founder of Rough and Tumble. Adenike Ogunlisi, the creative force behind Rough and Tumble, has redefined children's fashion in Nigeria. Her colorful and trendy clothing designs have made Rough and Tumble a household name and a favorite among parents and kids alike. Number 6. Odunyo Ueni, founder of PiggyVest. Odunayo Ueni, the co-founder of PiggyVest, has revolutionized personal finance and savings in Nigeria. With their innovative platform, PiggyVest has made it easier than ever for Nigerians to save and invest for their future. Number 7. Damilola Olakisi, founder of Shuttlers. Damilola Olakisi's Shuttlers is a game changer in the transportation industry. Shuttlers provides convenient and safe shuttle services for daily commuters in Lagos, reducing the stress of daily travel for thousands of people. Number 8. Okemaduezi, founder of Zarin Cosmetics. Okemaduezi, the founder of Zarin Cosmetics, has empowered Nigerian women to look and feel their best. Zarin's wide range of cosmetics products caters to diverse skin tones and has become a beauty staple across the country. Number 9. Femi Olaibi, founder of My World of Bags. Femi Olaibi, the visionary behind My World of Bags, has taken the art of craftsmanship to new heights. Her exquisite handcrafted bags have gained recognition not only in Nigeria, but also on the international stage. Number 10. Cassandra Oju, Og, the founder of The Lady Painter. Host. Last but certainly not least, we have Cassandra Oju. Og, the founder of The Lady Painter. Cassandra's talent and creativity have transformed spaces across Nigeria with her exceptional painting and interior design services. And there you have it, folks. These incredible women have not only broken barriers, but have also demonstrated that innovation knows no bounds. Their businesses are not just successful, they're changing lives and shaping industries in Nigeria. We hope you found this list inspiring, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring stories like these. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.